All right, we're gonna reset the maintenance required light. Just changed oil, so we're gonna turn that thing off and reset it, so in the next 5,000 miles it'll let us know when it's time to change oil. So first thing you want to do, key on, which I have that on right now. You're gonna press it to where it says trip A. If it's on odometer, you'll just keep pressing that till it says trip A. You'll turn the key off, and then you're going to press that and hold it, and then turn the key on. You're going to see that countdown. So after watching that countdown and holding that button while it's doing that, you're going to just turn the key back off, and then we're going to turn it back on just to show you that light goes off. Start the truck real quick just to make sure, and it stays off. So this is a 2011 Tundra, but this procedure should work for everything from 07 all the way up to 2021. So pretty simple procedure.